A one-time password, commonly known as OTP, also known as a one-time authorization code, one-time PIN, or dynamic password, is a kind of password that is required to verify one login session or transaction on a computer system or other digital device. After this login, the OTP will no longer be valid and every new login attempt will require a new OTP. In today's video, I will be showing you how to bypass OTP verification on any website or application. With technology constantly advancing, most applications and websites improve the security of their users by letting them enable the two-factor authentication, which is an additional security feature that requires users login in to provide a one-time code, sent to either their email inbox or to the number they registered on the platform. This feature is highly recommended to be used on financial apps so as to secure your funds in case of an eventual data breach. This makes it almost impossible for hackers to easily get access to your accounts. I said almost because no system is secured at 100%. Hackers intercept OTP by using a method known as the SIM swapping to receive the OTP and bypass this step to gain access to their victims' accounts. Before we continue, bear in mind that this tutorial is for educational purposes only and we are only showing you how vulnerable your account can be without two-factor authentication. There are two ways to bypass OTP verification, which are using a virtual phone number or using sites that don't require OTP. Let's start with the first method. Virtual phone numbers are those telephone numbers that are not directly associated to a telephone line. You can use a virtual number to bypass OTP verification. They are good in bypassing OTP verification for popular sites such as Facebook. If you use two-factor authentication on your Facebook account and just lost access to your phone number, then you can redirect the two-factor authentication to a virtual number so as to receive your OTP when trying to log into your account. In this way, you can say you have bypassed OTP verification on Facebook. However, not every virtual number is accepted on Facebook. You can find in the video description a link to virtual numbers for OTP verification. You can also check out our numerous virtual phone number guides in the video description to aid you in this task. The other method to bypass OTP is to work with sites or apps that don't require OTP. There are many popular sites such as Bitcoin exchange sites, gift card exchange sites and many more that will let you shop online without OTP. This is the most convenient way to bypass OTP verification in online shopping since these sites won't require you to use OTP when carrying out activities on their platforms. However, keep in mind that using your account without two-factor authentication make it easy for hackers to gain access to your account. Those were some ways to bypass OTP verification on any website or application. You can check the video description for an in-depth article containing all ways to bypass OTP verification. Okay, we have come to the end of our video and as always, don't forget to smash that subscribe button below and enable the notification bell to get notified whenever we release a new exclusive video for your entertainment.